What's up, my June buds, and welcome back to the channel where Julie B eats, Julie B eats, Julie B eats, Julie B eats. Y'all, what's up? How y'all been? I know it's been a little minute, but things of the world, happens, you get delayed. It's been a year already, but I'm not going to get into too much detail about that. But I miss you guys. How y'all been? Don't forget to like, share, leave me a comment, subscribe, hit your notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Y'all, what I have here today, I got me a ribeye steak, some rice and peas, and some broccoli. You know what I'm saying? Got my ribeye food line on sale. They know that MVP, you gotta hit that. Let me show this to y'all. Look at that plate. Look at that steak, y'all. I cooked that steak. It's medium well. Look at them rice and peas, that broccoli. Yeah, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and say my grace. God is great, God is good. This nigga put out food by the hands of the fed. That's why I daily bread. Father God, I should bless the ones that don't have, Father God. In Jesus' name, amen, amen, and amen. What's up, y'all? How y'all been? I miss y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got my drink, right? Hey, my drink, right? I need some red wine, y'all. But yo, this ribeye ain't nothing but goodness. And them juices up on top of that. You see them juices, look. I don't know if y'all can see them juices up on top of it. Look at them juices. Look at them juices. Look at them juices. Yeah. I season it with Sazon Tropical. You know, that's low sodium, but it seasons meat well. A little bit of garlic, pepper. Well, no, it was the true lime. It's lime, garlic, and cilantro seasoning. Salt free. But it seasons it so well. Give it that little zest. You know what I'm saying? That little zest. I put a little bit of that in the broccoli too when I cook. I miss you guys. Let me go ahead and get in this bite with this steak, y'all. Y'all know I like fat. I love the fat on the steak. That fat, that fat, y'all. Got a little bit of meat on that pea. Fat, Okay. Y'all, I had cut my finger last week. Not even cut. I chopped that move. It's healing up now. Maybe y'all can see it a little bit right there. I chopped it. Like I was cutting some cabbage, y'all. And the knife slipped when I was trying to get the core out. And it, I just knew I was going to have to go to the emergency room and get some stitches. But I was doctor. I had rinsed that thing. Like you could see all the way in. Like it was deep. I was like, and it was just bleeding. So I washed it. You know what I'm saying? I washed it real good. And I just compressed it up against my chest on paper towel. I just compressed it. Had it tight, pressing it. Eventually the bleeding stopped, but the open wound was so deep. You can see in it, so I got me some gauze, got me those little butterfly, like that whole wounds together. Pulled them two together, and it closed the wound up. And then I wrapped it up, and I stayed like that. I kept it like that for about 3 days, so it could, close up. But when I tell y'all, that thing hurt so bad. That thing hurt so I couldn't grip nothing. I couldn't do nothing with this hand right here. Everything hurt. I couldn't put my pants on, my belt. I had to just wear my little, I had to wear my little, what's called basketball shorts and stuff around. Well, the only thing I could slip up on, but I couldn't go to work because I couldn't do nothing with this hand. With one hand, I wasn't gonna be worth nothing. Trying to go to work with one hand, you know, still this thumb still kind of. It's gotten a lot better. I can do more with this hand now, but woo, certain things I forget, and that pain, it's like I think the nerves are trying to. We get back together. That's steak. Yeah, I think I'm gonna joke. I said, damn. I like some prunes. Rice and peas now. You got some of them rice and peas. Hey. No broccoli. Got some of that broccoli right there. Oh, I'm gonna give y'all a piece of steak. I know y'all was like, I don't want broccoli, I want the steak. Give me the steak. Oh, see it hurt. Grip something too tight, that thumb, boy. Alright, y'all. Man, look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Perfect. That thing cooked to perfection. Get y'all bite on. Get y'all bite in there. Now I can slap myself. I can slap myself. Oh. Ooh, that thumb hurt. But y'all, I had to come through and show some love, y'all, because this has already been a rough 2021. You know, lost a loved one, unexpected. Y'all just keep praying. Just stay prayed up. Stay prayed up, because you never know. You never know when it's your time. Just stay prayed up and have your relationship with God. That steak! Y'all, that steak! You got some peas too. Hit them. Broccoli hit them. Ooh. And that fat, y'all. I love that fat on that steak. That's the flavor. That's the flavor. Whatever kind of food you like. Y'all, oh, Have y'all seen the movie? I mean it's the Amazon Prime series on Prime. Damn. When I tell y'all, that was something. That was something. Boy, I didn't think it was gonna be what it was. I wish I wouldn't have watched it at nighttime. That thing had me scared, y'all. I hear shit. I just didn't think that it was gonna be so suspenseful and the thrill of it, and I didn't know it was gonna be a horror. Just pretty much to me, it was a horror film, but it was good. But it was crazy. You had to really pay attention to that movie. To that. If y'all haven't seen it, check it out. It's on Amazon Prime. Called Them. Woo, that was something. Shoot, I done watched that thing at nighttime. Next thing I know, I'm hearing shit. I'm like, yeah. No. Hard piece of bread right now. She said, get gas, I beat the brakes off. Right there, what is it? This is how I go in order. Rhapsody, Key Turner, and Rod Digger. The song is called Black Woman. Y'all, they murdered that. They murdered that track. It just came out, I think, yesterday. Check it out, y'all. I think I posted on my Facebook. Look. That's some real female MCs right there. I ain't even gonna say female MCs, period. Rod Digger always been an MC. One of my favorites. She beasted on that song right there. And it's a song that has a message. It's talking about something. It's not giving all this twerk and talking about your private areas and all that bull crap. It's some real hip hop music. You know what I'm saying? I miss y'all though, man. You want my little set? I miss you. I miss you. He said, ew. He said, what in the hell are you? You can sing back up, right? You can sing back up right from right now. Just back right on up. Nah, that was a good little meal. I tell you the truth, it is. Ooh, boy, that thumb is still. I don't know, I got to mention the knife that I was using. You gotta know I'm a chef. So, it was one of those chef knives that, the forever sharp ones. So you can imagine when I chop that down, it's a good thing I won't chop it down where I might would have chopped my finger off, y'all. But to God be the glory. Yes, sir. It took me out the game for about a week, but you know, I can understand. Somebody else probably would have went to the emergency room, but I just felt like, now if it would have been to the point where it kept bleeding or wouldn't stop bleeding, I probably would have went. But the bleeding stopped, and it was just wide open. Woo! Let me stop talking about that. But I also want to tell you guys, I love each and every one of y'all. You just gotta start telling people you love them. And I mean it. I love each and every one of y'all. And I thank y'all and appreciate y'all. For watching my videos, like them, share, comment. I appreciate all of it. I want to say I love y'all. But I'm about to go ahead and wrap it up. I'm gonna ate this good old plate. Nah, I know I'm about to be tired. I'm about to be sleeping now. But if you're new, welcome. Subscribe, like, share, comment. I would like to hear comments from you guys. I just appreciate y'all. I love y'all. With that being said, peace.